What if I told you that OnePlus didn't lose its identity? It simply outgrew the one we kept forcing it to have. Because lately, a lot of people have been saying that OnePlus has changed too much. No alert slider, no Hasselblad branding, a flatter, simpler design, software that looks cleaner and more polished. And for longtime fans, this feels like the end of the OnePlus that once shook the smartphone market. But here's the thing, maybe this is not the end of OnePlus. Maybe this is the moment it finally figured out what it wants to be. For years, OnePlus was known as the flagship killer. It was the company that came in swinging, offering top-tier hardware at lower prices, along with speed-focused software that felt faster than anything else on Android, that worked for enthusiasts. But the mass market? They want polish. They want reliability. They want designs that look premium and don't try too hard to stand out. So OnePlus made a choice: evolve or stay stuck. Let's talk about the design change first. The curved displays are gone. And honestly, good. Curved screens looked flashy, but they also cracked more easily, created glare, and were harder to protect. The new flat aluminum frame on the OnePlus 15 is stronger, reportedly over 3 times stronger than regular aluminum, and the micro-arc matte coating gives the phone a more refined, professional look. It doesn't scream for attention anymore. It looks confident. The big circular camera bump is gone too, replaced with a cleaner layout that blends better with the back. This is the kind of design shift that says, I belong next to Samsung and Apple, not just the enthusiast brands. And then there's performance. OnePlus has always been fast. That's never changed. But what has changed is how smart that speed now is. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is already extremely powerful, but power means nothing if the phone overheats. So OnePlus focused on thermal management. The new 3D vapor chamber cooling system is designed to keep temperatures under control even when gaming or pushing the phone hard. If it works the way OnePlus claims, the OnePlus 15 could actually outperform the Galaxy S25 Ultra in sustained performance, not just in quick benchmark spikes. And yes, AI is a key part of the experience now. But instead of throwing gimmicks everywhere, OnePlus is using AI to make the phone feel more responsive, adaptive in daily use, from image processing to system performance tuning. So did OnePlus sell out? No, it stopped trying to be a rebel and started trying to be a leader. Maybe the old OnePlus is gone, but the new OnePlus, the one aiming to compete with the biggest names, not just impress the loudest fans, might be the strongest version yet. Now the real question is, do you like this new direction, or do you miss the old OnePlus? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.